Sziasztok! Ma fel fogunk venni egy videót, amiben kis nyelvoktatást fogunk nektek bemutatni. Úgyhogy James visszatért, he is back and he will help me with everything.
สวัสดีครับยินดีต้อนรับสู่ประเทศไทยครับ
Alright.
ลีลา
Oh, he's
Okay.
already started. He will help me to translate because I don't understand everything. Okay, so he will tell us how to introduce yourself
Okay.
casually, like how you say hi, good afternoon, good morning. So you can start with that, like casual and formal.
Okay ครับ First thing when you saw a new guy you want to talk with them just say สวัสดีครับ and you put your hand like this สวัสดีครับ Okay and say ผมชื่อ James my name is James Okay
Yeah,
ผมชื่อ James is a Thai word
and I say Chan Tu, right? Chan Tu,
ลีลา
Chan Tu, Lilla.
That's correct.
That's the girl version, right? The
Yes.
female version.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you want to ask them คุณชื่ออะไร What is your name คุณชื่ออะไร
Kun Chu Arai.
I use that a lot in the clubs. Earlier, when I didn't know Leela. Sorry, continue.
Chan Tu, Lilla.
That's correct
Perfect.
Okay, that's perfect.
And how you say, how are you?
Okay สบายดีไหม
I don't know how to, I'm not sure. Just Sabai. Sabai.
Sabaydi khap.
สบายดี
Sabai di kap.
Yes
Oh, Sabaydi is also okay. Yeah.
Sabai di kap.
It's for women
Yeah.
Okay If you ask me that
Yeah. So, kun Sabai di mai.
สบายดีครับ Yeah
Okay. And how you say if you don't feel good? Like you feel sick or something.
ไม่สบาย
Mai Sabai.
My is no, right?
Mai
Yes
Sabai.
correct
Sabai.
Okay.
ไม่
My mean anything put my in front means negative, like no.
Okay. We are back. Just the car cross over.
Oh yeah,
So
we're
couldn't continue.
we're recording in Nongnuch Garden
Yeah, this is our first video
in
for you.
a corner of Nongnuch Garden, the palm world of palms. Okay, just wanted to show you guys a quick.
Yeah.
All right,
We are back.
and we're back.
Okay, so now we already know how we greet, how we do the greetings, how we say the greetings, how we ask if we want to know someone is feeling good or not, and how do you ask someone where are you from, where do you come from.
It's very simple คุณมาจากไหน
Kun ma ja
ไหน
nai. Kun
Where
ma
are you
ja
from?
nai.
Yeah.
Okay, and how can I answer to that? Chan
ฉันมาจาก
Chan ma jak.
Hungary.
Chan ma jak Hungary.
That's correct
Yeah.
Yep.
So you can say this when you come from Hungary. Yeah.
Dimak, which is very good.
Ah.
Which is
Okay.
thank you.
And how do you say like what is your oh I wrote it. Yeah.
We're in the
So,
forest,
How
yeah.
do you say like what are you do? Like what do you do for living? You know, what is your profession?
Mm-hmm.
คุณ it can be many words if you,
Oh, okay.
if you want to just ask it's normal just simple แล้วกันคุณทำอะไรอยู่
Tamarai. Okay.
or you want to specific about the in the sentence คุณประกอบอาชีพอะไร
Oh,
is
that's
career
difficult.
Oh, that's difficult.
Can you
Leave
repeat
that
it
one.
more time?
คุณประกอบอาชีพอะไร
Oh, maybe don't use that. Use the first
Try
one.
the easier
Maybe-
one.
คุณมีอาชีพอะไร
Kun
Okay.
mi achip arai.
Yes.
So, what is your profession? What do you
อาชี
do?
พ is career career
Okay. Tamarai also. Tamarai.
ทำอะไร it can be simple if your conversation understand คุณทำอะไรอยู่
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So, what's your profession in Thai?
Me?
So how you say what you do
Yep.
if someone asks you
คุณทำอะไรอยู่
Kun tamarayu, and like if I say I'm working in an office, then how would you say that?
ฉันเป็นพนักงานออฟฟิศ
Cham
And Tamagan, and then you put your profession.
Oh, just that's all. Okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
ฉันเป็น is I am like I am user I am a doctor or I am a nurse
Okay.
something like
Okay.
that. ฉันเป็น
So you always use the same, just you change your
Yeah.
profession.
Yep.
Okay. Good. Okay. We have one more session, and that's the number between 1 to 10. so that you can tell us.
Okay, let's start.
Mm-hmm.
0
Yeah, can.
0
Sun.
0 it's 0
Mm-hmm.
Okay, number 1
Mm-hmm.
1 is 1
Nung.
1 2 2
Song.
3 3
Sam.
4 4
Si.
5 5
Ha.
6 6
Hok.
7 7
Jet.
8 8
Bat.
9 9
Cow.
and 10
Mm-hmm.
10
Sip. Okay.
Oh, I just one more question came to my mind. Like, how do you ask how old are you?
คุณอายุเท่าไหร่
Kun are you Taurai?
Okay, so if I say I am 27,
ฉันอายุ27
Oh,
Chan are you 27?
you're 27?
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
0 and 2 20 is 20
Yisip.
and then you plus your digit number
Okay.
Okay.
7 is 7 right
Yeah.
20 is 20
Yisip jet.
20.
Okay. So let's revise the number again because we know. So let's say it together.
okay
1, 2, 3. 0 to 10.
0
Oh,
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10.
I just made a mistake because I went.
No, you didn't know. You didn't know. So James and me are the
No,
best.
I know the number.
High five, James. Okay. Leela's a loser.
okay
And that's the end of this episode. You can sign off.
So, thank you for joining for this video. We will be back with the next soon. See you. Bye.
See you guys. Swadee krap.